We're in Butrint National Park, which is in the south part of Albania. It was an ancient Greek and Roman settlement, Roman and Greek settlement. And then the water around it started rising and kind of flooded things, and they abandoned it, and it has then obviously since been destroyed. It's been called one of the most important archaeological sites in Albania. So that's a fun fact for the day. Something that kind of interests me, and I've been wondering, is the history behind what is on the lek notes. So today we're going to talk about the 2000 lek note, and I'm going to try to explain to the best of my ability the person and the place. On the front of this 2000 lek note is this guy named Gentius, Roman name Gentius, I think. Gentius, but the name written here is Mbreti Gent. And he was the last Illyrian king who, after initially being allied with the Romans, he then decided to try to save his kingdom from them and fought against them. In 168 BC was when he was finally defeated. Also, I think he's on the 50 lek coin. I might have one of these. Yeah, here he is right here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? Is it focusing at all? That's him on a horse. On the back of the 20,000 lek note is the photo of the amphitheater. That's right here behind me. And it's kind of a top-down looking shot, so I'm going to fly my drone and see if I can get a photo that looks the same. That's it today. Easy video just explaining a banknote. I'm sure you'll see more of these, but the places on the back are scattered around the country, so I have to go around the country to actually make the videos. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.